Hi everyone. We're gonna learn the rhythm pyramid today. So, what I have written out in front of me is the rhythm pyramid. Okay. So, this starts with that note, that one, and these ones. This is called a whole note, and it gets 4 beats. It's called a half note, it gets 2 beats. This is called a quarter note and gets 1 beat. These are called eighth notes and it gets eighth of a beat. It's pretty simple. And then we're gonna learn how to play each rhythm today. So, if we were to clap whole notes, right, it would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. We have to hold the beat for the full given 4 notes of the value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold until 1. Okay? Half notes each half note gets 2 beats. So in this case, the rhythm pyramid, it shows 2 of them. So this gets 2 beats, this gets 2 beats. Okay? So if I were to clap these two, it would go 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're dealing with a 4/4 meter, right, that means 4 beats in every measure, then we would count 1, 2, 3, 4, because everything right now equals up to 4. Everything right now. Okay. For quarter notes, right, they go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Every beat gets a clap, or every beat you play on every single beat. Okay. Now eighth notes are a little bit tricky, but they're pretty simple once you kind of understand how 2 half notes go into 1 whole note, 4 quarter notes go into 1 whole note, or 2 quarter notes go into 1 half note. You have to kind of understand the values that go into each one up into the whole note. But eighth notes are very simple, right? So instead of just saying 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to use and. So for example, so we have here, right? This would be beat 1. This would be and. We use the plus symbol. This would be 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Each eighth note gets an eighth of a beat because there's 8 of them, and that's 1. So 1/8, right? So if you're gonna clap eighth notes, it would go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demonstrate these rhythms on the trumpet. Okay? I'm just gonna go straight down the rhythm pyramid, and just so you can get an idea of how each rhythm feels on your instrument. Okay? So let me pull out the metronome. Okay, and I'm doing this at 60 beats per minute, which is pretty slow. It's pretty moderate. Okay, so pull out my trumpet, and I'm doing this on the, because a lot of you that are learning this are going to be playing the lower notes. And when we distinguish from the half notes and the quarter notes and the eighth notes, when we're playing the second half note, or the second quarter note, we're going to have to use our tongue to stop the air and then to continue the note. So let me play that first, and then I'll create another video explaining how to tongue. But basically we have to use our tongue to stop the air and then put the tongue out of the way to continue the air. Okay? But this is how it sounds on your instrument. Please play along. 1, 2, whole note. played one extra note. I usually like to hold out my, I like to always finish my exercises with a whole note, but in this case I didn't want to confuse anybody. So I played one extra note for the 8th note. So I played, instead of 8, I played 9. Okay? That's the rhythm pyramid. Hope you enjoyed.